Hey y'all, so I'm first starting off with my foundation on, concealer on, eyebrows on, you know, the basics. So for this look, I'll be using Deck of Scarlet's edition number 11 palette. For those of you who aren't familiar with Deck of Scarlet, it's a subscription service in which every 2 months you get a sleek makeup palette, which is in collaboration with the top YouTuber. This one in particular was made in collaboration with Christina X Makeup. Each palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, 2 lip colors, 2 cheek colors. This one also came with this really pretty glitter liner. So for $29.95, this really gives you your bang for your buck. So if you guys are interested, be sure to check the description box for how you can get your very own palette, okay? So I'm first going to start off by using the blush slash bronzer color in the palette called Moonstone. I'm going to place that right in my crease. Oh, and by the way, y'all, if you see my lips just yapping away, just moving, it's because this was supposed to be a talk through, but my mic was not on. So today we are rocking with a voiceover. But yeah, anyway, so after blending that out, I decided that I needed a color that was a little darker. So I took this brown shade from my I Think I Love You palette by Colourpop and applied that in my crease and blended that all the way out, honey. So next, before I use the star of the show, the yellow eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Super Bomb Concealer, also by Colourpop. I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow base to make that color really pop. No pun intended. I'm so corny, y'all. But I'm going to go ahead and blend that in using my fingertip. And then I'm going to go back in with that brown shade to make everything as smooth as possible. So next, I'm going to be taking that gorgeous yellow metallic-y shade, Limoncello, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. I was really excited to use this color because I don't experiment with color often. And then once again, I'm going to go ahead and take that brown shadow and blend everything together. And then I'm going to take the golden shadow in the palette, which is called Tan Lines, and I'm going to apply that to the outer V of my eye to create a little cool little ombre effect, you feel me? So I then went ahead and blended everything together using a blending brush. And then I decided to apply a little bit more of that Limoncello eyeshadow to my eyelids just to make it pop a little bit more. And this time around, I actually ended up using my finger, and I found that this way works way better and applies with more pigmentation. So after that, I just went ahead and used my brown transition shade one more time. And then off camera, I went ahead and applied my favorite eyeliner by Revlon and some Ardell lashes. And then to blend my lashes with the false ones, I'm just taking this mascara, also by Deck of Scarlet, that I received in a previous palette. And I actually really love this mascara. This has really become my go-to. But for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and take this brown lip liner by Jordana. Y'all know the deal. I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips and then fill them in just a little bit. And then from the palette, I'm going to take this lip color called Koi and apply that all over. And I was pleasantly surprised by this color. It's like a really pretty rose golden metallic color. So pretty, so cute. But next, I went ahead and applied one of my favorite glosses, and this is by e.l.f. This is their Plumping lip gloss, and this is in the color Mocha Twist. Girl, let me tell you, this will take your lips from Kylie Jenner in 2013 to Kylie Jenner in 2018, and it's only like $3. Like, girl, yes, you already know that e.l.f. is the truth. And then just to bring everything together, I'm going to take my Glow Minerals Press Base and apply that all over. And then I'm going to follow that by using my bronzer by NYX in the color Deep Tan. I'm then going to go ahead and take the highlighter from the palette, and it's called Bad Behavior. I'm going to apply that, and then I'm going to lightly add some more powder on top just so that I'm not looking all greasy. You feel me? Next, I'm just going to go in between my lashes. This is one of my favorite hacks. And I'm just going to fill in those gaps with some black eyeliner. And then I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more of that Limoncello eyeshadow to my lower lash line just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. And then I went ahead and followed that with some black eyeliner and some more mascara on my bottom lashes. And then last, I'm just taking this finishing spray from Colourpop. I'm gonna set my face, and boom, we are all done, baby girl. This palette has to be one of my favorites thus far. I really love this look. It's real pretty and glam. But now moving on to the head wrap, I'm first going to start off with the scarf rolled into a little bun, and then to hold everything in place, I'm going to place that on my head, and then I'm going to take a wig cap and place that right on top. I'm then going to take one of my favorite scarves and wrapping it around that little bun piece that I created. My dad actually gifted me this scarf a few years ago for Christmas, so shout out to you, Pops, if you watching. But anyways, I do have a detailed tutorial for this head wrap look, so you can click here to check that out. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and add some door knocker earrings, especially since I'm going for like a cool little 90s drip. But yes, this is the final look. It came out super dope. But I also did want to share with you guys how I style my head wraps. Every now and then I'll get a request to do this. Today I am rocking this really dope oversized Aaliyah tee. I got this from Fashion Nova. I've really been into old school tees lately, but I went ahead and paired that with this oversized denim jacket that I got from Zaful, and these thigh-high boots that I purchased from Urban Og, and this really cute itty-bitty chain purse that I got from Charming Charlie's years ago. And I just paired that with some gold accessories. But yeah, this is just like a real cool, chill look. It'll be perfect for like a date night or a night out. But that's it, y'all. If you would like to see more of these get ready with me type videos, give this video a thumbs up right now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.